Welcome to our tutorial on global illumination. First, let's render this scene. Now let's open the Options dialog window and click on the Illumination tab. Let's check Enable Global Illumination. We can use the default radius value, or we can set our own custom radius. We can also adjust the slider to set the accuracy level, and check here to have all appearances cast and receive global illumination by default. This option works similarly to the All Appearances Cast and Receive Caustics by default in the Caustics control area. We reviewed this topic in our previous tutorial. Let's click Apply and Close and render our scene again. As you can see, our scene is darker now. Let's make some changes, but I want to focus my attention in this tutorial on this cap. Let's double-click. And let's activate the Illumination Property tab. Let's increase the Diffuse property to 1.0. In the preview, my cap is significantly brighter. Click OK and let's render the scene again. As you can see, the cap is indeed quite a bit brighter, and it reflects its light on surrounding objects. Let's go to the Feature Manager now. We'll right-click on Directional 1 and select Properties. Now let's go to Photoworks Properties. Under Energy Output, let's enter 50 and tab. And let's render our scene again. Now our cap kind of looks like a fluorescent lighting source. Let's right-click on Directional 1, select Properties, press the Photoworks Properties button. What I'm going to do now is decrease the number of G photons to 1000. Click OK and render. With fewer photons, the faster the rendering process, but the image quality worsens. Let's do it again. Right-click, Properties. This time, let's increase the number of photons. Let's set it to 200,000. Click OK and render. As you notice, the rendering time now takes significantly longer. The plus side, of course, is that the quality of the image is much improved. Of course, the quality of the rendering will improve if we change the anti-aliasing quality to high or very high under Options on the Document Properties tab. Let's click Apply and Close and render again. I'm going to pause the video while I render so you don't have to sit through this. Okay, the rendering is completed, and you can see further improvements in the image's detail. The improvement in quality is more obvious the larger the image's size. And this concludes our tutorial on global illumination.